What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on this crypto called Omni network, which has been listed on Binance earlier this morning. And yes, it is up over 2,400% up. As you guys can see, initially it was listed at just under the $1 mark, and right now it's trading at over $24. So that in itself is a major increase. However, right now it's showing as 41% down. It is a little bit weird when it comes to new cryptocurrencies being listed on Binance. Majority of them are up like crazy, including this one. However, right now it did go up all the way up to, let's have a look here, over $55 in value, guys, and right now has taken a dip back down to $24. And as you guys can see, it was listed yesterday afternoon, so around 1 p.m, and that's why we're seeing a 41% down, because after 1 p.m it literally dropped down to this value here. So is Omni a crypto to be investing into? Is it too late? Is it way too early? You know, cryptocurrencies like this can be very volatile. It can literally pump back up and then straight away crash back down in value. For me anyway, it's way too early to be investing into the crypto. However, I can see that there's a lot more people who have already started to trade the crypto. As you guys can see, the trading volume right now is over $530 million in trading. So he is getting a lot of attention right now. So we're going to be going through what is next for Omni network, what can we expect and what can we predict. But do bear in mind that this is a new listing, so there is not much data on it. Well, only about 25 hours of data, meaning the long-term prediction is not possible, meaning we are going to have to stick to the short-term trade. But if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But before I go any further, if you guys are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll try, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year, and if I do hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the MACD indicator chart at the bottom, but the actual lines are not here because we are looking at the hourly chart, and due to the lack of data, there is no MACD indicator. Even if I zoom in into the 15-minute chart, we cannot see, well, we can, but again, it's not as accurate. But let's zoom in a little bit further down into the 5-minute chart to see what we can potentially expect over the coming 2 to 3 hours. So later on this afternoon, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning slight drops in value are expected from Omni over the next couple of hours. So again, as you guys can see here, the lines are looking quite bearish, so I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down below $24 is where I'm expecting Omni to be trading at later on this afternoon towards this evening. Again, nothing too crazy, but minimal drops in value. And of course, do expect green candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump in between peaks and drops. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the 15-minute chart, later on this evening, we are looking a little bit more skeptical here. We do have the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Omni over the coming 8 to 10 hours, so towards the end of the day today. However, I'm expecting the crypto to have taken more drops in value, potentially dropping down to around just over $23 in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason being is the major pump that took place earlier yesterday, and the fact that it has been dropping in value ever since then. Again, I'm not saying it's been dropping at a heavy pace, but it has been dropping at a slow and steady pace, as you guys can see, and I'm expecting this to carry on over the coming hours as well. So more red candles, so hence why I'm expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Omni over the coming 8 to 10 hours. So As you guys can see here, it has been quite volatile with green and red candles, but the overall outcome has been more on the negative side. If I go to the daily chart here, we can see it's 40% down. Again, reason we're seeing this is because on CoinMarketCap, the crypto was listed at a slightly later time than it was listed on Binance. So that's why it's overall, over the last, well, let's say week or so, it is up over 2000%, guys. But because we are the display here only shows us the 24-hour change, it is down 40%. So yeah, there is not much to talk about when it comes to new listings on Binance because it is still a new project. But one thing I forgot to do is look at what Omni is all about and what it does and what its use case is. So Omni Network is solving the problem of fragmentation across Ethereum rollups. It provides a platform for developers to launch globally native applications and derives security from Ethereum via the EigenLayer restaking. Omni is backed by Coinbase Ventures, Pantera, Jump, and Spartan Group. So majority of you guys, when investing into a crypto, you just look at the numbers, how it's performing, percentage increase, decrease, market cap, and so on. But you also have to look at what the crypto is all about. Is it one that will potentially last for a long term? Is it a short term? Is it a scam? So on and so on. So that is also key when you guys are looking to invest into not just new cryptos, but any new cryptocurrencies that you guys are looking to invest into. And again, cryptos that you guys have already invested into as well, in case you forgot to look at what the crypto is all about. But yeah, is this a crypto to be buying right now? Personally, for me, because I'm a long-term trader, it isn't a crypto that I will be investing into anytime soon. And I personally wouldn't advise I wouldn't say you guys. It's entirely up to you. If you guys see that this crypto can grow in the future, believe into it, then of course go for it. But personally, I wouldn't invest into it. Reason being, it's a new listing. I'm not expecting it to pump up anytime soon. In fact, I'm expecting it to dip back down in value over the coming hours. But again, if you guys are interested in regular updates, then I will provide that as well. But I'll personally be keeping away from the crypto at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Omni. I've seen a lot of crazy comments online regarding this crypto, saying it's going to hit $100, $500 and so on, which I highly doubt. But let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.